This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Lincoln Park, just off the intersection of Clark and Fullerton, where there's Five Guys, ton of restaurants, shops, grocery store. Heading around for a look at the Patricians. Vintage high-rise with updated apartments. Heading further around, you're looking at Lincoln Park. The park itself. Just literally steps from the building. One of the great urban playgrounds in the entire United States. It's kind of cold out here, so let's head inside for a walk through one of the apartments. Just walked into apartment 1407, looking at the front door. Panning around for a look at the kitchen, just off to my right. And for a look into the hallway, where you're starting to see some of the vintage touches that you'll find throughout the unit. Light-stained hardwood oak flooring, Moorish arches separating the living areas, elaborate crown and baseboard moldings, high ceilings. Looking at the kitchen, it's a stainless steel appliance package, shelving and storage above the refrigerator, granite counters, dishwasher, built-in microwave, there's a 4-burner gas range, dark stained cabinetry, granite counters, different finish packages in the building. Looking south toward the skyline here, out of the kitchen window. Different finish packages in the building have either a honey stained or espresso stained cabinetry. Choice of gas or electric ranges depending on the unit that you're looking at, but otherwise very similar finishes. Heading toward the hallway and deeper into the unit, there's a closet off to the left, and you're seeing the original brass hardware. Closet's a walk-in with shelving and double hanging space. And you have a generously sized living area. Windows facing out to the east. You're looking at antique look sconce lighting. Swinging around toward the bedroom wing. It's a closet with shelving. As you head toward the bath, which is a deep soaking tub, pedestal sink, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, body spray attachment on the shower. First of the two bedrooms, mirrored closets, ceiling fan, and great windows looking out south toward the skyline and east toward Lake Michigan. Heading toward the second bedroom, there's another closet, double hanging, wide closet in the bedroom, view out to the south from the windows, and again a ceiling fan. A pretty spacious 2-bedroom apartment in a building that has attractive amenities and a genuinely heart of Lincoln Park location. Steps from the park, steps from tons of great shopping, dining, and nightlife. Definitely want to have the Patricians on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.